Everybody, you're not going to believe this. What if you could install a fully functioning conversational text and voice AI, both voice and AI, into GoHighLevel, and get this, in less than 10 minutes, and it's ready to rock. You'll see this build out of this world AI that actually does things. Voice and text AI helps agencies and their clients build and deploy multi-channel AI in less than 10 minutes and no coding or prompt engineering required. You can see we're approved by the GHL community. In response rates, the number of sub accounts, security, the amount of increased sales is just hard to imagine. So there's a link to the video that I'm talking about in the description below, or you can actually just go ahead and schedule an appointment if you want your own private presentation. But I encourage you to go ahead and watch the video. The video takes 20 minutes. We install it into GoHighLevel Agency. We install it into a GoHighLevel sub account. We create a voice bot. We create a text bot. We deploy both of them in GoHighLevel just using tags. No massive workflows, no craziness looking like a spider web. Most amazing system you've ever seen. So check in and stay tuned. Bye-bye.